I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete apps from your iPhone.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
So step one, you're going to be on your home screen, and let's say we find an app that we want to delete. I'm going to open up entertainment, and for whatever reason, let's say this Luminosity app I don't want. I am going to tap and hold on that app icon, and it's going to give me options here, and I'm going to click the remove app button. Now, removing it from the home screen will do just as it says. It's not going to be on the home screen anymore, but it will be in your app library. And to delete it, we're going to click the delete app button. It'll confirm one more time that you want to actually delete the app because it will delete any data that is stored within that app. I'm going to go ahead and confirm by clicking delete, and now it is gone entirely from your phone. Now, if you want to delete an app that is in your app library, we can do it a very similar way. Let's scroll over to our entire app library, and then we'll scroll up to see the entirety of our app library instead of just the categories. And for this instance, I'm going to say let's delete Adobe Scan. I'm going to tap and hold just as I did before and press down and bring it to my home screen. Now it'll have a minus icon next to it, and I can tap that, and now I'll have the same option to delete the app. Click again to confirm, and now it is fully deleted from my phone.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.